Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance. First, you'll learn to set up your account, which is a straightforward process. We'll cover the essential steps for identity verification to ensure your account is fully functional. Then, I'll show you how to navigate the user-friendly interface, highlighting key areas for beginners. This will help you get comfortable with the platform right away. Once your account is ready, depositing funds is simple. You can use various methods like bank transfers or credit cards to add money. Next, we'll dive into buying and selling cryptocurrencies. I'll guide you through placing your first trade, explaining the difference between market orders for immediate execution and limit orders for precise price control. This ensures you can trade effectively. Now, let's look at some advanced features. Binance offers options like futures and staking, which can expand your trading strategies. Security is paramount, so I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to your assets. We'll also cover how to withdraw your funds and understand any associated fees, ensuring smooth transactions. To maximize your experience, always research thoroughly before investing. Diversifying your portfolio can help manage risks effectively. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, continue exploring Binance's educational resources to deepen your understanding of the crypto market. Keep learning and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.